kids! Ready for a fun math challenge? Today we will add 3 numbers together. Let's see how many you can get right. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes. What is 3 plus 2 plus 4? The correct answer is 9. What is 1 plus 5 plus 2? The correct answer is 8. What is 6 plus 1 plus 3? The correct answer is 10. What is 2 plus 2 plus 5? The correct answer is 9. What is 4 plus 3 plus 1? The correct answer is 8. What is 7 plus 1 plus 2? The correct answer is 10. What is 5 plus 2 plus 2? The correct answer is 9. What is 3 plus 3 plus 3? The correct answer is 9. What is 8 plus 1 plus 1? The correct answer is 10. What is 2 plus 4 plus 3? The correct answer is 9. What is 4 plus 4 plus 1? The correct answer is 9. What is 1 plus 6 plus 2? The correct answer is 9. What is 5 plus 3 plus 1? The correct answer is 9. What is 2 plus 7 plus 1? The correct answer is 10. What is 3 plus 5 plus 1? The correct answer is 9. What is 6 plus 2 plus 1? The correct answer is 9. What is 7 plus 2 plus 0? The correct answer is 9. What is 8 plus 0 plus 2? The correct answer is 10. What is 1 plus 1 plus 7? The correct answer is 9. Great job, kids! How many answers did you get right? Keep practicing and you'll become a math star.
Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. See you in the next fun quiz.